The area of a quadrilateral is 342 square meters. The perpendiculars from two of its opposite vertices to the diagonal are 12 meter and 12 meters. Okay, both are 12 meters. What is the length of the diagonal? This length we want. See here, this is a quadrilateral. We don't know whether it's square or rectangle or whatever it is. So one perpendicular from this side and one perpendicular from this side. And what is given? Total area is given 342. Okay, what we want, the length of this diagonal, this other one. Okay, let's do. Area equals to 342. Diagonal equals to D. Okay, let diagonal equals to D. This length is D. So A1 equals to what? This area of this triangle, half into base into height, half into D into base is D and height is 12. Okay, what is A2? Same, 1 upon 2 into this, 12 into D. Okay, total A1 plus A2 equals 1 upon 2 into 12 into D plus same one. So it becomes 12 into D. So A1 plus A2 equals to 12D. But what is A1 plus A2? This total. So that is 342, right? Because it forms the whole quadrilateral. So 342 equals to 12D. So D equals to what? 342 upon 12. 12 ones and 28.5. So that is the required answer. 28.